Hey guys, welcome back to From the Roots Up. It is day 16 of the Every Bit Counts challenge, and today we are making dried peaches. So I already have my peaches, I have them washed and everything, so the first thing I'm going to do is cut them up. So I'm going to first cut them in half just to get out the pits, and then cut them into slices. But when you do this, make sure that you cut them small enough. It's about 1/4 of an inch to an inch in thickness, but make sure you cut them small enough that when we put them in the dehydrator, it doesn't take forever for them to dry. We have estimated roughly 12 hours to do this, but if you cut them too thick, they won't dry. So now we're gonna go ahead and get started. So with these, you can either peel them or leave the peels on. We left the peels on because we just don't really care to peel them. There's nutrients in the peels, but it's a matter of personal preference. If you like them better without the peels, then feel free to peel them. It's kind of weird that peel is both a noun and a verb. You peel the peel. All right, so they're all chopped up. So what we're gonna do now is stick them in the dehydrator for 12 hours and we will come check on them in the morning. All right, we have left our peaches in for 12 hours now. It is now the next day, and we are now going to pop these up and stick them in our jars. So this is a food saver and it has a jar sealing attachment. So we're going to use this to seal up the jars. Turn it on first. There we go. All right, there's one. And there is the second one. All right, there you have it. That is 2 jars of dried peaches right there. Thank you so much for joining us. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to see all of our future uploads, and stay tuned throughout the month for the rest of the Every Bit Counts challenge.